One of the biggest lies you're being told about how to make money on YouTube is that you should create a channel that gets tons of views. In today's video, I'm here to bust that myth and teach you how to set up a profitable yet fully automated YouTube channel that will make you thousands of dollars passively each and every month without having to do any of the work yourself. If you want to learn the tricks of the trade, then make sure you stick around until the end. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the channel where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. If you're interested in this kind of content, then please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that we can let you know each time we post a new video. With that said, let's go make us some money. First off, I want to show you some channels that do get a ton of views. This one here is called The Relaxed Guy, and he has a ton of these gentle rain sound videos that always get a ton of views. He has close to 1 million subscribers and millions of views in total. And while that's really super impressive, what no one is telling you is that the CPM, or the amount that YouTube pays channels in this category, is one of the lowest ones there is. In fact, the average rate for this type of content will pay a measly $1 to $3 per 1,000 views that the channel gets. Besides that, this kind of channel is not really very advertiser friendly. Its creator would have a difficult time placing ad breaks in the middle of the video because of what it is. Imagine that you were trying to fall asleep listening to the rain sounds on this video, and then it suddenly switches to an annoying ad and interrupts your whole experience. It would totally ruin the mood, and that wouldn't do well for the channel or the advertiser. And so besides the negative impact that an ad could receive by disturbing someone as he tries to fall asleep, it just doesn't make sense to promote products and services to people who are not in the mood or the right headspace to listen to what the ad has to say. On the other hand, there are channels that might have only 10% of the number of subscribers that the Relaxed Guy has, and maybe even just 1% of his views. But they're making so much more than he is. How? Why? Well, it all boils down to CPM. Take this channel for instance, Altcoin Daily. This channel is actually a faceless YouTube channel that's doing really well in this space. I know for a fact that this channel is making an average of $20 CPM. The crypto niche is a wonderful space to be in because the demand and the viewership for this particular category has skyrocketed. More and more people are getting into it. Influencers like Elon Musk talk about it all the time, and people are just hopping on the bandwagon. The crypto niche also has rich, endless content that you can use for your channel. In fact, there is an abundance of things to talk about in this particular niche, so much so that a lot of channels in this space actually post multiple times a day. When it comes to YouTube, hosting frequency is a powerful thing because the more you do it, the more chances you give others to discover your channel. You never know which video might open the door to success for you, and uploading more just stacks the deck in your favor. Now, if you're not confident about your crypto know-how, there still are a few options that you can choose from to still be able to pull this kind of channel off. And let's talk about some automation shortcuts that quite a number of faceless YouTube channels use. When it comes to video content and script, you can choose any evergreen topic on crypto that's getting a lot of views. Something like Crypto Beginner's Guide, Crypto 101, or even How to Invest in Cryptocurrency. From here, the first way to go about it would be to do it yourself. Do your research on Google, compile the information that you collect, and then write a script. The second way would be to use an existing article on Google, let's say this one, or you can even check out videos on YouTube, and then what you can do here is open the video transcript by clicking on the three dots over here and then toggling the timestamps and copying the script. Of course, you won't and shouldn't copy an article or video verbatim. To avoid any copyright strikes, you'll need to use a paraphrasing tool to rewrite the whole thing for you. Yes, it's a thing, and there are free online tools that will do this for you. The two that I've heard of are Quillbot and Spinbot. And on either of these platforms, you can simply paste the copy from the article or video transcript that you just saved and then click on the paraphrase button. You'll just have to be a little bit careful about using this tool because it's artificial intelligence, and what I've heard is that you'll probably encounter a few grammatical errors that you'll need to correct yourself. The third way to work on your content and script would be to hire someone to do the research and write the script for you. Of course, this would entail a little bit of an expense because you have an actual warm body doing the work for you. But then again, this option should also offer you a more professional script and less chances of encountering any copyright issues. So to look for people to work with, you can check Fiverr.com or Upwork.com, and depending on the length and frequency of your videos, the rates will add up and can be quite steep. So I suggest that if you don't have a substantial budget, you can click on this button that says Seller Details. Go ahead and choose New Seller and then just message them privately to negotiate a rate. New sellers are still trying to build their portfolio and are generally just more amenable to negotiating. When you have your script down, you now need a voiceover. And again, 3 ways to do this. The first way would be to grab your phone and record yourself reading the script. It may sound intimidating at first, but it's totally doable. If you can't stand the sound of your voice, then a second option would be to use artificial intelligence and just download a free text-to-speech software such as Balboca and use a robot voice to record the narration. Or the third way, again, would be to hire someone online using Fiverr or Upwork, and again, choose New Seller so that it doesn't cost you an arm and a leg to pull this off. Finally, you'll need a video editor. This person will be in charge of collating all of the pictures and video files that you'll need for your video. Again, you can do this yourself using a 100% free software like OpenShot. I've talked about it multiple times in my channel before because I obviously quite like it. But if you prefer, you can hire a warm body to again work on this step for you. And ideally, your editor can also help you come up with an eye-catching thumbnail because that is essential to your video getting the clicks and the views in the first place. I hope this was helpful, guys, and that you get started on your high CPM channel right away. I've talked about other high CPM niche ideas on this channel before, so if crypto isn't your jam, then you can check those out too. Do leave us a comment below to let us know when you start on your channel so we can support each other and just help each other grow. If you enjoyed today's content or found any value in it, then please show us some love by smashing the like, subscribe, share, and notification bell. Also let us know what you want to see next and we'd be more than happy to oblige. We have a ton of other content that's already up on our channel that you can binge watch, and I'll be leaving links to those for you right here. Alrighty then, take care guys, and I'll see you again next time.